Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix GTA V's error fail to initialize critical game data. So I'm going to show you some simple fixes. Then I'm going to show you some really some just more advanced fixes. First of all, is actually you launch your Epic Games launcher. From your Epic Games launcher, you're going to click on Library. Okay, and from Library, you're going to first of all going and navigate down to the Grand Theft Auto, and then you're going to click on the three dots, Manage, and then Verify. Once you click on Verify Files, it's going to start verifying your game files. Okay, this process is going to take some time, so you just be patient with me. Okay, once you click on Verify, it's going to start verifying the integrity of the games. Okay, you've done this, it didn't work. One thing you actually could do is actually click on Windows S. Okay, and then Windows S, and then search for Run, or just click on Windows R for short, and then click on App Data. Now from App Data, you're going to navigate one time at the back, and then you're going to go onto Local. Then you're going to, let me just view this onto a list, so it just likes you. Then you're going to search for the Rockstar folder. Okay, and I'm going to search for it, Rockstar Games, and just make sure you just delete this file. Don't worry, it doesn't have any it's not going to corrupt the game or anything. Just delete it, and then once you delete it, verify and then relaunch the game. Okay, you've done this and it didn't work. One thing you actually could do is make sure at the beginning of any game you have your latest drivers. Okay, basically you can know if you have your latest drivers installed or not. You're going to click on Windows S. Okay, then you're going to search for Device Manager. From Device Manager, I'm going to go for Display Adapters, and then do not look. I'm someone who doesn't depend on update driver like this and search automatically for drivers. It most likely doesn't work, because if I actually go onto our drivers over here in NVIDIA, most likely you could actually not be having installed it. So basically, like this, you're going to know what graphics card you're using, and you're going to install the latest and the latest drivers from its respected website. So do this way. So Windows S. Search for Device Manager. Okay, when you search for Device Manager, once you search for Device Manager, you're going to click on Display Adapters and make sure, and you're going to look for online. Let's say I'm going to click on online to search online, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 drivers. Okay, then you're going to install it. If you have an AMD, the same thing goes. If you have an Intel graphics, the same thing goes. Again, integrated graphics card in your processor. You can know that by actually going onto, you're going to go onto processors, and then from the processor, you're going to click on AMD Res. I don't have an integrated private graphics card, but you actually can go, you're going to search for the respected drivers. Now, you've done this also, it doesn't work, which most likely not going to happen, but I'm going to tell you the last fix that you do is most likely going to fix it. You're going to click on Windows R. It's going to bring up Windows R. You're going to click on Windows S. Okay, and then you're going to search for services. Then you're going to launch services. Once you launch services, you're going to search for Rockstar service. Okay, you're going to find it A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S. Okay, L M N O P Q R, as you can see, or R over here. Rockstar game library. You're going to double click on it, double left click, and then click on Start. Okay, and once you click on Start, you're going to make sure this is automatic. Okay, and click on Apply. Now, once you've done this, restart your computer. After you restart your computer and done all these fixes, verify your integrity of the game, land one last time, and then launch it, and it's going to work. So yeah, guys, that was it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.